Surah Al-Mutaffifin, the defrauders. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 36 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ويل للمطففين.
Woe to the defrauders,
الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون.
those who when taking measure from people seek it in full,
وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون.
and when they measure for them or weigh for them, they lessen.
ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون.
Do these people not have certainty that they will be brought back to life
ليوم عظيم.
for a momentous day?
يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين.
The day all people will stand before the Lord of the worlds?
كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين.
Truly, indeed, the record of the evildoers is in Sijjeen.
وما أدراك ما سجين.
And what do you know of Sijjeen?
كتاب مرقوم.
It is a sealed record.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day,
الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين.
those who deny the day of justice.
وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم.
And none deny it except every transgressing, extreme sinner.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
When our verses are recited to him, he says tales of previous communities.
كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Certainly not. Rather, that which they had earned has covered their hearts with rust.
كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون.
Truly, indeed, on that day they will be deprived of the vision of their Lord.
ثم إنهم لصالو الجحيم.
Then they will be cast into hell.
ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
Then it will be said, this is that which you used to deny.
كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين.
Truly, indeed, the record of the virtuous is in Illiyun.
وما أدراك ما عليون.
And what do you know of Illiyun?
كتاب مرقوم.
It is a sealed record.
يشهده المقربون.
It is witnessed by those angels who have been granted nearness.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Indeed, the righteous will be in comfort.
على الأرائك ينظرون.
Upon thrones looking on.
تعرف في وجوههم نضرة النعيم.
You will recognize the radiance of blessings within their faces.
يسقون من رحيق مختوم.
They will be given pure sealed wine to drink.
ختامه مسك. وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون.
Its seal is of musk, and for this the aspirers should yearn.
ومزاجه من تسنيم
and its blend is of tasneem,
عينا يشرب بها المقربون
a spring from which those who have been granted nearness will drink.
إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون
Certainly, the wrongdoers used to laugh at the believers,
وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون
and when they, i.e. the believers, passed by them, they, i.e. the disbelievers, used to wink at one another.
وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين
And when they would return to their families, they would return self-conceited.
وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون
And when they would look at them, they would say, indeed, these people are misguided.
وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين
And yet they were not sent as guardians over them.
فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون
So this day, the believers will laugh at the disbelievers.
على الأرائك ينظرون
Upon thrones looking on,
هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون
were the disbelievers recompensed for what they used to do?